Running out of storage on your Nintendo Switch? That's no surprise. Its internal memory is limited to just 32 GB, much of which is taken up by system files and game data. After downloading a few titles or updates, you'll likely see those dreaded low storage warnings. Fortunately, there are easy ways to expand and manage your Switch's storage. Here's how to do it effectively. Method 1. Add a microSD card. The best way to expand your storage is to insert a microSD card. The Switch supports up to 2 TB, but realistically you can get 128 GB, 256 GB, or 512 GB cards at a good price. Just open the kickstand or the back cover on the Switch Lite. You will see that there is an SD card slot here. Just get yourself an SD card and insert the card until it clicks. My personal recommendation brands are SanDisk, Samsung Evo, or officially licensed Nintendo microSDs. They provide the best storage outputs and longevity. Method 2. Archive games you don't use. For the home screen, highlight a game. Now press the plus button on your controller. Scroll down to Manage Software. Select Archive Software. This removes the game data but keeps the icon in your save data. Tap it again later to re-download. So those were the two main ways to expand your Nintendo Switch storage. Of course, you can also take advantage of Nintendo Cloud backups for extra space, but since that's a paid feature, I'll let you decide if it's worth it. That wraps it up for today. If you found this helpful, be sure to give the video a like and hit that subscribe button for more Nintendo Switch tips, tricks, and fixes. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.